Hello children, good morning. Today in this video we are going to learn another one new chapter, that is Unit 6 Integers. It is a very interesting chapter. Let us learn about integers. So first we have to learn natural numbers. What do you mean by natural numbers? The counting numbers are called natural numbers. So it is always denoted by the letter, that is capital N. So N equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these numbers are we are using for counting. So these numbers are called natural numbers. So after 6 some dots are there and so on. That means it is continued. Okay. So the counting numbers are called natural numbers and always denoted by the letter, that is capital N. So next, whole numbers. The counting numbers along with 0 is called whole numbers. The counting numbers along with 0 is called whole numbers. It is always denoted by the letter, that is capital W. Okay. So W equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So here counting numbers along with 0. Okay. In the natural number, the least natural number is 1. And here the least whole number is 0. Okay. So next one is integers. Group of whole numbers and negative numbers is called integers. So it is very interesting. Here whole numbers is also there and also along with that negative numbers also it is there. So group of whole numbers and negative number is called integers. So integers is always denoted by the letter, that is capital Z. Therefore Z equals to, see here children, here still numbers are there. Okay. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 and so on. So it is continued. So in the integers, the very important thing is minus 1 is the greatest negative number. So this one is very important thing. Next one is representation of integers on a number line. Here how to represent the integers on a number line. So already we know about number line. So it is 0 and this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. And here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and so on. Here two type of integers or two type of numbers are there. One is positive integers or positive numbers and this side negative integers or negative numbers. Okay. So what do you mean by this positive and what do you mean by this negative? Okay. Numbers to the right of 0. So see here, numbers to the right of 0 have positive sign. Okay. So they are positive integers. Numbers to the right of 0 having positive sign. So that's why it is called positive integers or positive numbers. Next, negative integers. Okay. So see here, negative integers or negative numbers. Okay. So see here children, numbers to the left of 0. Numbers to the left of 0 having negative sign. So that's why it is called negative integers. Okay. Now mark the following. In that first one, minus 2. The given integer is negative integer. Okay. So that one we have to mark it on the number line. So negative integer means it is to the left of the 0. Okay. So see here minus 1, minus 2. So this one is minus 2. Second one is plus 3. Okay. So here positive integer. So to the right of 0. Okay. So plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3. So this is the way we have to mark the following. Okay. Next one is comparison of integers. Now comparison of integers. So here are some problems are there. So already compared. So just to see. So here 0 and minus 8. So 0 is greater than minus 8. Minus 1 is greater than minus 15. 5 is greater than minus 5. 0 is lesser than plus 6. Minus 20 is lesser than plus 2. 11 is lesser than plus 15. Minus 3 is lesser than minus 2. And last one is minus 100, that is greater than minus 101. So how it compare? Okay, how to do this one? Let us learn about that point. So let us learn about some important points while comparing of integers. See here children, every positive integer is larger than every negative integer. Okay, so that's why 5 is greater than minus 5. Okay, so see here 0 and plus 6. So here plus 6 is greatest one. Why? Because 0 is less than every positive integer. Okay children. So see here in the first example 0 is greater than minus 8. So because 0 is larger than every negative integer. Okay. So when we are comparing of integers, we have to follow some rules. Because here 0 is neither a negative or nor a positive integer. Okay. So number from 0 on the right side, larger is its value, and a number from 0 on the left side, smaller is its value. Okay, that means when we are moving the left side, the value is decreasing. When we are moving on the right side of the 0, the value is increasing. So these are the points we have to follow while comparing the integers. See here children, next one is addition of integers. So how to add the given integers? Here 4 examples are there. So very different examples, because here we are adding 2 positive integers. Here we are adding 2 negative integers. Here we are adding 1 is positive and 1 is negative. Here we are adding 1 is negative and 1 is positive. So how to add these type of integers? So let us learn that one. So just you go through the example. Here the first plus 5 and plus 4. So plus 5 is a positive integer and plus 4 is a positive integer. So we can add it easily. Okay. So plus 5 plus 4, the answer is plus 9. Okay, so it is very easy to add because these two are positive integers. But in the second one, minus 5 and minus 4. So these two are negative integers, but we are adding. So this is very important. Okay, so when we are adding these two numbers, minus 5 and minus 4. So when the signs are same, or when the sign are same, we have to add the number. So minus 5 and minus 4 is nothing but minus 9 is the answer. Okay. So here when these two are positive integers, we have to add. When two negative integers, then also we have to add the numbers. Now in the third example, here minus 5 and plus 4. One is negative and one more is positive. So here what we have to do? So see here, in the given integers, both are having a different sign. So that means we have to find the difference of these two. Okay. So which is equals to minus 5 plus 4. What we have to do? We have to subtract it because one is negative, one is positive. So 5 minus 4 means 1. Okay. So see here children, always we have to give the sign of the greatest digit. So that is minus. Now the answer is minus 1. Okay. So in the fourth example also, here 1 is positive, 1 is negative. So plus 5 and minus 4. Here what we have to do? Here also we have to subtract the numbers. Okay. So 5 minus 4, 1. Here the greatest digit is having positive sign. Give here also positive sign. So plus 1. So see here children, the very important note is in the addition of integers, we have to follow these rules. When two positive integers, we have to add the numbers. When two integers are negative, then also we have to add the numbers. But when one is positive, one is negative, we have to subtract. Or one is negative and another one is positive, then also we have to subtract and we have to use the sign, the biggest digit sign. Now subtraction of integers. So see here, first one plus 5 and plus 4. See here children, plus 5 and plus 4, these two are positive integers. Here what we have to do, we are going to subtract the given integers. So when we are subtracting, here we have to change the sign. Okay, because that is a rule, we have to change the sign. So 1 is plus 5, 1 is minus 4. Now we have to subtract it. 5 minus 4, 1. And here the biggest digit having positive sign, that is plus 1. Now plus 1 is the answer. Second one, minus 5 and minus 4. Here these two are negative integers. Okay, minus 5 and minus 4. So what we are doing? We are subtracting. So change the sign. Then it becomes plus. Now 5 minus 4, which is equals to 1. So the biggest digit having negative sign. So and give the negative sign here also. So now what's the answer? Minus 1 is the answer. Now third one, minus 5 and plus 4. Here what we are doing? We are subtracting. Correct? No? Minus 5 and plus 4. So according to the rule, when we are subtracting, we have to change the sign. Now it is minus 5 and minus 4. So having same sign. Now what we have to do? We should add it. Okay. So both are having negative sign. So minus 9 is the answer. Okay. So minus 5 and plus 4. The answer is minus 9. So now fourth one, plus 5 and minus 4. Okay, so we are subtracting. So change the sign here. Okay, so now it become plus 9. Because having two are same sign, then we have to add it. So the answer is plus 9. So in this way, we have to solve the subtraction problems.